Looking to find out what you could do with your hair? Here's what you can do. Here's what you're gonna need. First, start with liberally spraying water to the hair, making sure it's moderately saturated. Then moisturize with Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner by Shea Moisture, evenly working it through. Generously lather each side and the back one at a time to get the best coverage. After thoroughly applying the first light application, apply a second application. Next, coat your hands with this coconut and hibiscus curling gel souffle by Shea Moisture and apply a light application, gently brushing your fingers over your hair. Then, using a wide tooth comb and a styling comb, you'll part your hair. Here I used a duckbill hair clip to help hold the part in place. Here's how you style a 2-string twist. Fun fact: this is the go-to protective style I recommend. Use the wide tooth comb to easily comb through your ends. Thank you for tuning into my channel, where I'll be showing you my hair journey, styles, and tips you could use with your hair. It's been 4 years since I went from relaxers to natural curls. For now, I primarily use Shea Moisture, which I highly recommend, but be on the lookout for my own homemade hair products coming soon. Quick tips: find a product that works for you, use it consistently. Moisturize your hair at least every 3 days. Grease your scalp. I use the oil I make from home, which works wonders. Don't be afraid of water. It should be your hair's best friend. Use leave-in conditioner often, and don't overly use different types of hair products to manipulate your hair. Remember, your hair is your crown, so wear it. Here's the final look. Lastly, to give it that shine, use coconut and hibiscus frizz-free curl mousse by Shea Moisture. Apply a generous amount to your hands. Brush the first application over the top layer of the style. Then comb your fingers through the style to evenly coat the outside of the twist. With this hairstyle, you can wear half in a top bun and half down. You could leave it down, free-flowing, or you could style it up in a top bun and pull 2 twists down in the front. Subscribe for more videos like this and hit that notification bell to stay notified.